Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay from Lindsay & Co. I am a marketing strategist, a project manager, a tech mentor, and a virtual assistant coach. I know it's a lot of things, which is why I need to stay super organized and why I want to share my favorite planning tool, the Content Planner. So this is the 2020 Content Planner in the Powder and Pacific Blue. I'm going to do an unboxing. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm super excited to open that. But first, let's take a trip down memory lane. I've been a Content Planner user for a couple years now. So this is the 2018 planner. Came in this coral box along with this lovely teal color. So this is the first one that I got. I'll be honest, I didn't use it fully the first year. I was still getting my business organized. As you can see, I only have a few tabs in there, but I definitely loved using it. And then I also have the 2019 planner. Here it is right there. So it's the beautiful purple, and inside is lavender. So there it is, and on the back it says Planet Post-it Profit. And I actually kept the tissue, which I think is kind of funny, and I'll tell you why in a second. So I kept the tissue from this box there. It says "You are gold," and the little sticker says "Your organization awaits." So that's a really cool touch. So before I dive into this planner, the reason why I'm so passionate about it is because it's definitely helped me stay organized, on track with my goals, as well as it's helped me. So I actually quit my day job recently and I went back to work about 6 months ago. And since then, since using the Content Planner along with some other strategies to stay productive and organized, I managed to hit my first 5-figure month as a freelancer and my first 5-figure launch as a coach, so a course teacher, mentor. So I can definitely say that this helped me do that. So I know that's a big thing to say, which is why I really want to share it with you. Also, cool thing is I'm one of the top affiliates for the Content Planner through this blog post, and I could have done that without planning it first, right? So every month or every year I actually come back and I revamp the blog post. So it's about 3 years old now. I revamped the blog post with new images, new pictures as soon as they come out, the new colors for the Content Planner. I maintain my traffic through SEO. So I just had a really great SEO strategy for this. And if you Google the Content Planner, I'm on the first page there right next to the Content Planner website, which is awesome. And I use Pinterest as well. So every month I go in and I plan new pins for Pinterest. I use Tailwind to help me schedule them. And obviously I've been really successful. So that just helps drive traffic to this. And I'm constantly getting referral fees every time it goes on sale. So even just this week I've had a few of them, so that's really great. And I believe I was the top affiliate for the 2020 launch, which was awesome. So thanks, Kat, for the opportunity to be able to sell your amazing product as an affiliate. So thanks. Okay, so let's get into this. So we have this beautiful blue box. So there was actually 2 colors this year for 2020, 3 colors actually. So there's the Powder and Pacific Blue, which is kind of a monochromic colorway. And then there was the Sunshine and Emerald Sea. So I decided to go with the blue because blue is my favorite color. I'm sitting on a blue couch. And I already have the teal planner from 2 years ago, so I felt that was a little close to the emerald. So I went with the blue. And I also actually ordered the black planner. So Kat had 100 black, matte black planners that are gorgeous. And they sold out within 8 minutes of her launch, which is incredible. And I was definitely one of the people that was on there like pressing refresh. And finally, I did get through and I got one of them. I'm just waiting for that to be shipped. So when that comes, I will definitely share some pictures of that as well. That was just kind of like a special thing. I think because I feel very involved with the whole the Content Planner, I really wanted to have that in my collection of Content Planners. So I'll probably be using this for some client work, and then I'll be using the black planner for my own personal business. So let's open it up. Okay, so when you open it up, it's in this beautiful wrapped tissue. if you've been following Kat on Instagram this year, you might have heard of hashtag TissueGate2019. And I think there was a lot of issues and delays with this tissue. Kat is a very detail-oriented person. She believes in these special little details that make her product unique and special for her customers. And I just love that she kind of stuck to her guns and just went with it, right? She could have shipped without them, but she decided to wait, and look how pretty that is. Post it, profit. And then the sticker says, your success awaits. So nice. Okay, let's open it. I'm going to save this just like I saved the tissue from the last one, so I don't want to rip it. So I'm going to do it really carefully. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, now, see, oh, there it is. Such a beautiful blue, actually. I love the blue. It's actually much brighter than I thought. I thought it'd be a little bit paler. So this is like a very nice, bright blue. And here is her little thank you note. Let's see if we can focus that in there. How do I do that? There we go. Okay, picture of Kat in her branded color outfit. It says, thank you. I applaud the way you've invested in yourself and your business. Your support means everything. You've welcomed the content planner to your journey towards success, and now I'm welcoming you to the community. Wishing you love, Kat. Content idea: unbox your planner on social and tag the content planner. Oh, great idea. Okay, now if I pull this out, have a little look in the back. There it is. And in here she tucked a little cute little gold pen, which I have from last year, and we'll be hanging on to that. Now let's open her up. Oh, okay, so the first thing that fell out are the little paper clips, which she sends every year. They're like little I don't know if you can see them. They're little like camera cases, paper clips. Okay, and so when you open it up, there is this awesome pocket right there, which is great for just sliding in even a really thin notebook or your stickers. So look at the stickers first. So what I really like about the content planner is it's 15 months of undated, which means that you can just date them however you need to. So if you decide not to use it for a month or 2 months, you can skip those months and then save them for later. The only thing is we only get 12 stickers here, which is fine. So we get one for every month. See how nice they are. And these are the little tabs, so you just fold those in together and you place them in the tab there, so you can have little tabs to easy find it. Then we have some really nice stickers here which say days off. Ooh, I need more of those. Days off, launch, to-do list, important. I'm trying to get this to focus. There we go. Okay. So you could plan, you can put the stickers in right away, or you can just wait to see, do it every month if you'd like. Now these are really fun. These are the little, the different stickers for different social media platforms. So if you need to post on Facebook, on Instagram, if you're doing an Instagram live, there's a sticker for that. YouTube, Pinterest, there's even phone, like a phone one, email. So if you're doing an email newsletter, blog, a post, and then there's just some other fun ones like me, exclamation marks, coffee, a bunch of other fun ones. So we actually have quite a few of these. Oh yeah, these are all, holy, I feel like these are more than what there usually is. So hopefully that's enough to last us the year. So these are great. So I usually just tuck these in to the sleeve here. Boop. So tuck them right in there. Okay, so what I love too is that you can fold this over completely. So if you're sitting at your desk and you don't have room for this to be wide open, just fold it over, which is a really thoughtful design. So good job, Kat. So put your name and phone number in there. Okay, now there's even instructions how to use the content planner. And then a fun little quote to get started. Goals in writing or dreams with deadlines. Yes. Okay, and I really like this section too. So this is on your radar. So they're actually like months and themes that you should be thinking about so that you can jump on those like hashtag trains and get that, so you don't miss out on things. Or like sales, times of years when people buy, like Valentine's Day if you're a product-based business. let's see, July, 4th of July into summer. And then she always has so she does this for the whole year, January to December. Different themes as well as like actual holidays on your radar. And then she also prints out, or she usually creates it and then sends it through email, an update of all the like more international holidays. So like in Canada, our holidays are a little bit different. So she'll send that to us. She'll send any updates through emails. Yeah, and then here's the 2020, the US marketing dates that you need to be aware of. So, and different hashtags that you could use. So that's kind of awesome so that you can plan that out accordingly. Oh, it's right here. So it's not a printout. So we have the Canada and US right in there. Now let's see. Yeah, she even divides them up by country and province. So I'm sure that was a lot of work to find all that information. Okay, now one of the things I really like is when I'm planning out my year or my months, I like a very high level view of what I'm doing, because then it shows me like what I can fit in and what I can't. So there is this section right here with 2020 at a glance. So here I can jot in some important dates. So right now I'm using like a giant calendar on my wall with sticky notes to kind of plan that out, but I probably won't keep that up year round. So what I'll do is I'll transfer it into here, or if you want, you could just use this here to plan out your year. You can use sticky notes, and, so if you're afraid of like penning anything in, I mean, that's what whiteout is for, or use a pencil, or use sticky notes, just small sticky notes, and just move them around and see, what works. I usually suggest planning out at least 3 months in advance, and maybe some like bigger things, especially like when you want to take your holidays, like always plan that first. If you plan on taking 2 months holidays, like make sure you pencil them into the year right at the beginning of the year to make sure that you have room for it. Holidays are important. So what's funny about this? My favorite feature is actually not even the calendar itself. It's this part right here. It says a place just for my dreams. There we go. I use this to map out everything that's in my brain and make a plan. So like I literally brainstorm every month a bunch of things. And I find that I come back and I refer to that section often. So I think it's important to kind of brain dump and get everything out there. And then you use the rest of these pages, which I'll show you, to kind of sort it and make it more organized and make it like a solidified plan. So that place for my dreams is just an awesome place just to put your ideas, things that pop in your head, just jot them down there. It doesn't have to be pretty, just put them in there, and then you have a place to keep them. And then there's a little note section right here, and then here are your monthly goals. So it's always important to have goals, and that's what I really like about the content planner, is it's very goal forward. So just putting in just things that you want to achieve. Maybe you have like a number value to it, or maybe you have like a way to measure it. Maybe it's just like, I want to feel good about what I did this last month, right? You put it in right there and you can check it off. And then right underneath is on your radar, so you can refer back to Kat's calendar or other things that you have on your business, or maybe your quarterly calendar to see what should be on your radar this month. Plan out your hashtags every month. Do your hashtag research depending on what you're trying to achieve that month. Hit list and collab. So that's kind of a fun thing. Who do you want to collaborate? Who do you want to engage with on social media? Maybe influencers or other businesses. That's a really great way of growing your Instagram or your business in general, is collaborating with other people. And then every month she puts a little tasks and tips at the bottom too, which is really nice. Okay, so here's the big calendar. Let's see. So here it is. Let me make sure it's in focus. Okay. So on this side here, oops, just bent it. So this is where you put the sticker for the month right there, and then usually you put the tabs kind of right in the corner. They fit perfectly in there. And this is where you track your business growth. So at the beginning of the month, you put in your starting numbers for your Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, your dollars, like how much you earned maybe last month, and your email list subscribers. And then at the end of the month, you'll come back and put it through the end. I don't know if you can see that. And then you can mark the difference. So this is really great. These are just like standard data analytics. You need to always have a good grasp on the numbers in your business so that you can be strategic with your growth, right? Every month you can choose a theme. And this month, kind of like an affirmation, like this month I will post every day, or I will post I will show up live once a week, something like that. You can make these like promises to yourself. And this month I won't, and again, make promises to yourself. I won't be counting the numbers. I won't worry about the numbers, right? Or maybe I won't spend too much time just scrolling aimlessly. I would be strategic with my Instagram, for example. And then every week you can put your weekly goals in there. So there it is. So every week just put your goal. If you're launching something, then maybe your goal is to get X amount of people signed up for your program or sales, that kind of thing. And then as you can see, you get to fill in all the numbers in the top little boxes there for the month. And I really like that there is there's lines in there so you can keep everything nice and organized. And then at the end here, it says my wins. Oh, my wins. So my wins is things to celebrate. So again, they don't have to be numbered. They could be just like maybe a feeling that you have that makes you feel good about what you did. Okay. I just thought I wasn't recording. I was about to lose my mind. Okay. So same layout for the next 15 months. Now let me just skip ahead to the back because there are a few little features in the back. Okay, now here's another great place where I can dump all my ideas. So it says, my plan to take over the world. So you basically have 2 pages to jot out all your fun ideas. So since we are at the beginning of the year right now, or just the end of the year, it is, and you have actually 2 more pages. Let my imagination run wild. So this is a great time to just set a day where you can just plan, right? Plan out your year. Do it with a friend. Maybe you can, give each other ideas and feedback on things and just get to work, because planning things out is important. It doesn't happen. Your goals don't happen unless you have a plan in place. And if you're like me, a month goes by like this, so you need to make sure that you have a plan in place so that you can, execute everything that you set out to do. So here is my beautiful planner and box. Love it. Thanks for sticking with me. I will definitely share some pictures of my black planner once it arrives. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about the content planner, feel free to reach out to me. And if you decide to check out the website, which actually Kat overhauled again this year, click one of my links and I get an affiliate fee, which I really appreciate. Thank you so much if you decide to buy. So anyway, if you have any questions about the content planner, let me know. Have a great day.